Right, hello, it's the 3rd of October. Let's go through this week's trades of the week. I was actually away last week, so just want to go through a little bit of a recap of some of the nice trades. It's actually been relatively quiet over the last week or so, so not a huge amount missed, although overall on our results, up sort of 200 or 300 pips over the last week or so, week to 10 days. Let's have a look through some of those trades though that have come through. I think we closed out September around about 1,500 pips up, so some pretty decent pips to be had. And actually a good example of this is sterling CAD here. We had a nice short trade here from the close of play on the 16th of September here, 171.69. 200 pip target on this one, moving on nicely through to our objective, as you can see, having another breakdown this week from the start of today, Monday, but really nice move, hitting that target on the Friday, the 23rd of September. It's a really nice move, nice profit there, 200 points there on sterling CAD. The Bund, as they're not that actively traded by a lot of traders, retail traders indeed. It is actually a very liquid contract. We had a buy here on the 21st of September, 164.28. We made 123 pips or points of profit here on this one as the market continued to rally over the following few days. This is what we call a buy swing trade. The market was moving nicely back in line with that longer term trend and picking up a pretty healthy profit on that one, as I say, as the market continued to rally over the next 3 or 4 trading days. So a nice profit on the Bund too. I say not that actively traded in the retail marketplace, but we've got it in our list of 38 markets. It is one of the most liquid markets in the world and is very heavily traded, so a good market to go with too. UKOil, we had a what we call a continuation trade here posted from the 21st of September, and that's a 78 pip or point cent winner, whatever you might want to call it, in spread bets. When the way we trade here in the UK, that's in cents the market moves, so moving from 47.09, I made a 78 cent move on that one as the market continued to rally, getting out over the next day or two very quickly indeed. And actually similar sort of move on US oil. It's slightly different entry on this one. It's what we call a swing trade there, very much like the Bund, moving back in line with a longer term trend as well. Here going for a bigger target here, this time going for 202 points there, so $2.02 moving here for US oil, pulling back and more sideways for the first sort of 4 or 5 days before the market really got the bull by the horns over the OPEC data last week, rallying through substantially through to our target. An entry there of 45.60, meaning a target of 47.62, going through to our target really nicely from there, hitting it last Thursday there. So 202 points there on US oil. And then finally, not the fastest moving market in the world, but Euro Swiss. This one quite slow, as I say. You know, that sort of unwritten sort of peg between the euro and the Swiss really means that there's not much movement between them. So here, sort of fighting tooth and nail to pick up 50 odd points or pips, 109.20, giving us a short back from the 5th of September, actually having a second bite of the cherry with a swing trade here too. A couple of decent trading opportunities as indicators, rotating nicely from green to red, giving us those opportunities to short sell and giving us a little bit of profit on both of those trades there. All in all, about 700 pips of profit from those 5 or 6 trades. As I say, a couple of trades there on Euro Swiss, so some decent healthy points there. Overall, September posting a profit of around about 1,500 points. I'm just waiting on the final pip count. We've still got 1 or 2 positions that are still open from September's entries, but generally, you know, a very good month, following on nicely from what has actually been a very positive summer period too. And roughly for the year, we're up around about sort of 15,000 pips, if not more, for the year to date. 15,000 pips just from end of day trading. And if you want to know a bit more about what it is that we do, how we do it, and how you can use these indicators like this big disc on the chart here, why don't you tune in to one of our free online trading webinar events. You should find somewhere on this page a link to register for one of our events. Get yourself booked in. It'll take about an hour, and with that we'll go through the strategy, where you put stops, where you put targets, how you can use the strategy to identify trades with a very much rules-based approach, giving you real clarity on where those entry points are, which ultimately should lead to a much more profitable trading account. So there we are. Hopefully we'll see you online, and stay tuned for more trades of the week next week. Bye bye for now.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.